Bonjour!
Hello!
Aujourd'hui, on va faire des crêpes.
Today we're going to make crepes.
Pour faire des crêpes, il faut 250 g de farine,
2 cups of flour,
500 ml de lait,
2.5 cups of milk,
ouais, 50 g de beurre,
4 tablespoons of butter,
ouais, 3 œufs
3 eggs,
et un peu de sel.
and a little bit of salt,
Et un ingrédient magique.
and a magic ingredient.
Okay, so what do we start with, Sophia?
We start with the flour.
Okay, Sophia, we are ready. We have our pan, and I'm gonna put some cooking oil with my magic tool. What's that?
A potato.
It's a potato. That's something that my mom used to do when she was making crepes for us when I was little. So you have the potato, it's been cleaned, and then you dip it in cooking oil, and then you spread it in your pan. And what that does, it allows for the cooking oil to be spread evenly, and also you don't end up putting too much cooking oil. There we go. And now we are ready.